able to get the job done. Look at this bitch. Still smooth, clean, surprisingly low for how sporty this motherfucker is. Shit, you lower than me.
You ain't know about your lonely. Yeah. He ain't gon' stay down, but he folded. I really thought that nigga was my homie. You ain't do it by your lonely. 2-tone Glock and it's customized. Baby chopper when we came from the Russian guy. Stay in the trap, no you can't come inside. Standing on me, they that hoop with the gun inside. Look at me now, I'm feeling like bustin' around. Smooth the pounds, come and shop anytime. Mini Uzi gon' blow like a dandelion. I'm on the drugs, I can't feel it. I'm feeling like 50, I'm rolling with mini man. K the one hop on that minivan. Spin on this block, I ain't talking no ceiling fan. Me and Lil Dre back on that crib again. Big drums, we ain't playing with instruments. Hit it calm, got 12 trying bliss again. Frugal Glock with one, should I pick again? These niggas not trapping, they just tryna fit in. Catch the blades, like I play for the Redskins. Mask down, send a shot at your headband. Now the little nigga a dead man. Pick up a pack in the truck like the mailman. Scoop at a jug for 10 bands. This trapping ain't outside enough. I'm off a ball now. These niggas never going. I heard she is loving her, and you still loving her. These niggas not real, but you know. I know you know. I know you know. 2-tone Glock and it's customized. Baby chopper when we came from the Russian guy. Stay in the trap.
Motherfucking like I said, it only sounds good for the inside. Fucking radiator fucking took a shit. I don't know if y'all can see it. Go ahead and zoom in. So crack right here on the side coming out.
That bitch is empties?
Probably ran hot. Your fan work? Alright, so we back from the little Puerto Rican festival and shit. This my boys, Accra. I'll add some videos from the festival that I did from the inside of it. You know what I'm saying? I'm fucking turned. I'm lit. I'm gonna go ahead and get myself inside the house. So we sitting in Accra RL. What's this, a 99? I know my shit. This the owner. Listen, I ain't gonna put him on no camera, even though I already did. When I tell you I'm an Accra fan more than anything, I fucking love it. They automatically come stock with the Bose speakers. Right now we at a Puerto Rican event. He has the JDM mirror. Aftermarket radio, but it's still bump. This bitch static on the ground. Look at this motherfucker. Focus on that. You see that camber? This YouTube video about to be crazy. I'm gonna have to